Alright, happy Sunday. It's turned out to be a bummer of a Sunday so far. You know, I bought a 100-year-old apartment complex. I knew these kind of things are going to happen, but I'm actually short on finances to pay for a hot water heater, and the hot water heater has completely gone out on the first floor apartment, flooded the basement. It's got a concrete floor, so I'm not concerned about that, and it hasn't flooded too much. It's not like it was an inch thick, it was just wet. But the hot water heater is done. I don't know how old it is, probably pretty old. I need to pick up another one. I don't want to buy a brand new one. It's just been my mantra since I've come out here, because we've done so well with used stuff. We have a nice refrigerator that cost about $1/4 of a new one, and you know, dishwasher and all kinds of stuff. So I have Val at home checking Marketplace for a used 30-gallon hot water heater, electric. So easy to install. Just put on the water in and out, wire it up, and let it go. So it's not going to be hard to install. It's a little hard to remove the old one, but I can do that as well. So today I'm just going to go to the store, pick up some more supplies for Val and I, and if there's something really close here to town as far as hot water heaters, I might pick that up and install it today, but I have a feeling that that's not going to happen. So I gave first floor the key to third floor, so if they need to take a shower, they can go upstairs and do it. So it's probably the best I can do right now.
Hello, neighborhood community. Good morning to you all. I'm hot.
I'll turn on the air.
Jiminy crickets.
You're not going to hear anything with you halfway out the window like that.
Did you guys hear me? If not, let me do that again. Good morning, neighborhood community.
Morning. So now you don't have to yell. But you will anyway.
But there's no air. There's nothing coming out of that.
I know.
Hampshire 16 South Glen Avenue.
It's because you got to do that. Jiminy crickets, he's trying to cook me already. Look at the beautiful trees, guys. You can't see them too good from our house through the window, but you can definitely see them from here while we're driving around. Isn't it beautiful? So tell them what we're up to, darling. What happened this morning?
Well, I actually dragged them along so they saw.
Oh, okay.
One of the hot water heaters, they got one for each apartment, just decided to burst. So it has water pouring out of the side of it. And but our tenant on the second floor, I think, caught it pretty quick, so it wasn't flooded. It was just wet. So I turned it off, and so I have to replace the hot water heater.
So we are going to take care of that right now. Look at the trees, guys. Look at the colors. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, babe, you have to be honest. Aren't you loving the colors?
Mm-hmm.
So.
I'm loving ice.
Yes, we got the ice and water maker, ice and water machine. What do you, dispenser. Ice and water dispenser working on the refrigerator. So, well, I should say Kevin got it working. I'm just enjoying it. So.
Water tastes great.
Mm-hmm.
Ice tastes great.
Mm-hmm.
And don't have to go to the store and buy bags of ice anymore, or try to find room for cute
ice cube trays
that don't taste any good anyway. For some reason.
So we're on the go. Still can't put my bathroom back together yet, and still can't clean in my kitchen quite yet because we were going to do all that stuff today, but this takes priority. So yeah, we're out and about right now.
So we're getting a used hot water heater.
Well, we're going to look at it. We're hoping it's as nice as it looks and as nice as it says it is.
And if we could pick that up today, save, it's going to be like a third of what it would cost new. I could install it today, and they can have showers tonight. And then I feel like a good
landlord.
So. Look at that orange. Just screaming.
Oh, isn't that beautiful? I love it. I don't know how much you can see through this camera. But... Hey guys, so we are almost back home already, but we got a water heater. That's right, it's in the back of the truck. Kevin was happy with it.
Yeah. It looks like the same one that I'm replacing, actually. So.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
Yeah. So, I think he's gonna. Are you gonna go try and hook that up tonight?
Yeah, it should be an easy thing. I should try to get all that water up out of the basement anyway.
Okay.
Since I got that little shop vac, I can do that.
Okay. So that's what he's gonna do. So I'm not gonna have my bathroom and my kitchen put back together yet. So I'm just gonna go home and get back into some comfy clothes and
think about dinner.
Chill. Well, it's too late for me to try and do that stuffed chicken.
Yeah, but we got other stuff. I got a little more light in here. I am currently emptying this old hot water heater. It's going kind of slow. I think it'll speed up a bit once I remove this attachment. Let some air into it. Alright, so I've emptied the old one, turned the power off so I can unwire it, and I'm going to pull this one out. I'm going to leave it here in the basement until I do my trash run, and then I can include stuff from here as well. I finally got a light on in here so I can actually see the entire basement. It's kind of interesting. I'll have to explore one of these days. Okay, so it's been rewired. I am filling up the tank. I'll turn the power back on once the tank is full. And yeah, this took all day Sunday to do this. At least it didn't cost me an arm and a leg to do it. What a job. What a job she has.
Cats sleep in the weirdest positions. What do you think about that? That's what you think about that?
That's right.
Yeah?
Pet. Is that her? Let her see what's in your mouth.
She knows there's a bowl on the other side of me. You can't have it. You can't have it. I'm tired. Good night.
I'm tired too.
So we went to
Maine.
Maine? We went to Maine.
What is it called? West Paris, I think. Isn't that right?
We went to West Paris, Maine. Did you get a hot water heater for one of the apartments today? Anyway, we're getting ready to watch a movie, San Andreas.
Yay!
Yay! And
Val's been all into disaster films.
Yeah.
And we might as well watch L.A. fall into the ocean since we don't live there anymore.
That's right. So all my friends, get out here from L.A., from California. Get out here so you don't fall in the ocean. So, anyway, do you have anything to add?
No, that I'm tired.
We didn't do the kitchen or bathroom today, obviously. So.
What a surprise!
Yeah.
I did get a washer or hot water heater in though.
Yeah, you worked. I didn't. I didn't do anything. I went with you, but that's about it. So, anyway, we're gonna go ahead and call it an evening.
Wait, hold on. It's got an itch.
You know, we can't hold up the whole show for you.
Okay.
Are you done?
He's ready. She's ready. What? Wait a minute. Oh, he's ready.
Ready? We're gonna go ahead and call it an evening. We hope you enjoyed a little bit of something that you may have seen me on video today. If you have, please give us a favorite, comment down below, share our video with your family and friends, but most of all, please subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow. Ta-ta for now. I love you too. Bye, guys. You're such a good girl.
Gosh.
You're such a
Bye.
good girl.